So today I'm going to show you guys how to start up a Shopify store, an e-commerce store. So I'm just on the main Shopify website here. So it asks you to enter in your email. So I'm just going to use a fake one so you guys don't see my real one, just for a test. It's going to ask you for a password and a store name. So we'll call it YouTube Test 2. Don't say the password. So next you'll be prompted to choose what type of if you're already selling or not. So I'm just going to click on playing around, and I'm just getting started. I'm going to click next, and then here I'm going to type my name in. So we'll just use test 1 fake street, and then your postal code. And then you'll be asked for a phone number too. That's not my real. So once you get past entering your information, you'll be taken to this home screen, the Shopify store. So go down to the left-hand panel here. Home screen is this panel. Has different little posts and updates. They change as your store moves along and you get products added. So up there is orders. So once you get orders, you will appear. You can see order drafts, and then when your people abandon the cart from checkout, they can go there to see, and you'll be able to send an email. And then products is a list of products. So we'll add our first product here. Actually, we'll just go to the apps. I always use Oberlo. It's a good app. It'll ask you for your store name to make an account. So it's just going to read over all of these details here, saying what it can access and install the app. So from here, you'll be able to access products from AliExpress. So we'll just use these eggs or whatever. So you can click on here and see the product information, how much is in stock and everything. And if you go back to the other tab, you can click add to import list there. And then import list is on the side here. And then you can change the different product information here. The description, the variants, so that's like the different colors. You can add pictures here, it'll pull it from the ad. And once you're happy with that, you hit import to store. Now you can also go to the manage products tab here and click import from URL. So you would type in the AliExpress URL and it'll pull the information there. Then after you hit import, you go back to your Shopify store, and then your products will appear here. And then again, you can change the different variants and the prices and everything. If you click on edit there, it's another sub menu. So you can change your pricing. It'll show a sale price, so we'll say 58 point that for a test. You can click charge taxes on this product. Then if it's a physical product or not, you can determine if it needs shipping or not here. So then analytics. Oh, I always want to save your changes. So analytics is another tab here on the side. It'll show you access once you get traffic to your store. You can run different reports, a live view of information, if people are in your checkout cart or not. Discounts here, you can create different codes, percentage wise, fixed amount, free shipping, or buy so many, get some free, and you can type it in there. And then down here, if you click on that little arrow, it'll come to our store. So this is the default here, and then our products is that one that we added. And if we go back over here, if you go back to the home tab and click customize theme, there will be different themes that Shopify has for free. So we can click on this one just to test it, and there's different ones here. So we'll just click add it. Then it will save, and then we can go back to our website. It should change the theme. Oh, we want to customize the current theme, sorry.